Let's unbox the ET Dental Utility Tray with Cup and Tissue Dispenser. The tray comes with an attached tissue dispenser along with the required chair mounting accessories. Mounting screws are provided to ensure a secure and stable installation. This is a transparent cup dispenser designed for hygienic cup dispensing. Start by positioning the chair mounting clamp on the dental chair arm. Attach the utility tray to the chair arm and tighten the screws using a screwdriver. Ensure the tray is firmly secured to prevent movement during procedures. Place the cup dispenser onto the holder provided on the tray. It is available in 2 color variants, blue and transparent. The length of the utility tray is 31 centimeters and the width is 24 centimeters. The water cup holder is removable, allowing flexibility during clinical use. The transparent cup dispenser makes it easier to monitor the remaining cups. The tray provides sufficient space for tissue boxes and chairside essentials. The tissue dispenser allows quick and easy access during procedures. Tissues can be refilled easily and dispensed smoothly, one at a time. Disposable cups are loaded from the top and dispensed from the bottom, ensuring hygiene and convenience.